Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the twig stitch. This is a wonderful stitch pattern. It creates a beautiful solid fabric that isn't quite the same on the front as it is on the back, but it has a beautiful subtle texture. Now, this stitch is quite dense. It's going to take a little bit longer to work up if you're working it as a solid piece. And it's going to use a little bit more yarn simply because it's made almost entirely out of chain stitches and single crochet. Today for the tutorial, I'm going to be using a little bit of a worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet, as well as a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. Down in the description of this video, you will find a direct link to the free written instructions, which can be found on richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. We're going to start by making a slip knot. We're then going to work a foundation chain, and our chain today will need to be an odd number of stitches. So today I'm going to go ahead and chain 21. Once you have that foundation chain of an odd number of chains, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then work 1 single crochet in each chain all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to begin by working a single crochet into our first stitch. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch. You're then going to skip the next stitch, and into your next stitch, work 1 single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet back into the same stitch. Skip the next stitch, into your next stitch, work a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet. You're going to repeat this all the way across. Skip the next stitch, into your next, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, all the way across until you come to that final stitch. When you come across and have 1 stitch remaining, you're going to simply single crochet into the top of that final stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 3, work 1 single crochet into the top of your first stitch. Into your next chain 1 space, so into the space between the next 2 single crochets, you're going to work 3 single crochet stitches, all into the same chain 1 space. You're going to repeat that across into the next chain 1 space, and it can be a little challenging to see, but just into that chain 1 space, work 3 single crochet stitches. Repeat that all the way across until you come to that final stitch. When you come all the way across at the end of row 3 and have 1 stitch remaining, you're going to work a single crochet into that final stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. Now for row 4, single crochet into that first stitch and skip the next stitch. Into your next stitch, which would be the middle stitch in that set of 3 single crochets, into your next, work 1 single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet back into the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, into your next stitch, single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet back down into the same stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way across. Skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, all the way across until you have 1 stitch remaining. When you come all the way across, you'll skip the next stitch and work 1 single crochet into the top of your final stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, and that's it for this pattern. All you're going to do is repeat your rows 3, which was your single crochet into the first stitch, and then 3 single crochets worked into the next chain 1 space, and so forth. So repeat that row 3, and then row 4, which we just worked, for as long as you would like, then fasten off and weave in your ends. And that's all there is to working this wonderful twig stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, again, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.